Make this recipe for breakfast and you will be surprised. Let's start our recipe by slicing 3 tomatoes. Tell me which breakfast recipe you like to make the most. I'd love to hear. Use a glass to remove the pulp from the tomatoes, just like that. And then cut them into small pieces. And before I forget, tell me where you're watching us from so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug is for Jennifer Guang from Japan. I'm happy to hear that you're loving our recipes. Then put them in a bowl. Now chop some parsley to taste. Add the parsley in the bowl with the tomatoes, add 2 eggs, salt to taste, black pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon of flour, and stir to combine. You guys, this recipe is incredibly delicious. Make it at home, I'm sure you'll love it. In a pan, add butter, let it melt, add the tomato slices with no pulp, put the mixture inside each tomato, and let it fry for 2 minutes. Then turn it over to fry the other side. Add grated mozzarella cheese, and parsley to taste. And our breakfast is ready. Look how easy and delicious it is. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.